In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Pinterest messages in 2026. It's important to mention right from the start that on Pinterest, fully deleting messages may not always be available in every version of the app or website. In many cases, what you can do instead is hide or archive a conversation so it no longer appears in your main inbox. So if your goal is to remove a message thread from view, this is the method you'll want to use. First, open Pinterest on your device. You can do this either through the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet, or by going to the Pinterest website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one, so you don't end up editing the wrong inbox. After you're signed in, go to your inbox or messages section. This is where your conversations are stored. Depending on whether you're using mobile or desktop, the layout may look slightly different. But the messaging area is usually easy to find from the main navigation menu. Next, locate the conversation you want to remove from view. Take a moment to confirm that it's the correct chat thread before making any changes. This is especially helpful if you have several similar conversations in your inbox. Once you've found the conversation, look for the available options. On some versions of Pinterest, you may need to tap or click the conversation first, and then open the menu using the three-dot icon. On mobile, there may also be a swipe option available. Since Pinterest can update its interface over time, the exact placement may vary a little, but you're basically looking for conversation management options. If your version of Pinterest supports it, select Archive, Hide, or a similar option. This will remove the conversation from your main inbox view, helping you keep your messages organized and less cluttered. Just keep in mind that archived conversations are not permanently deleted. They're simply moved out of your main inbox, which means they may still be accessible later. So if you were expecting a full deletion option, Pinterest may not currently offer that for messages in the version you're using. And that's how to delete Pinterest messages in 26, or more accurately, how to hide or archive them if deletion isn't available.